Hey gamers, it's Kristin. So I have been lucky enough to partner with FabFitFun as far as bringing you the spring add-ons. Now, they've never done this with me before, and what I mean by partner with them is that they've sent me the products for free. I'm not being paid to do this video, and of course, all opinions, as usual, are my own. But when they sent me the email and said, hey, would you like to do a video showcasing our spring add-ons, I was like, yes, please. First of all, spring just makes me happy. It's been a rough go of it here for a little bit with the below zero and whatnot. But yeah, so I'm so excited to be able to bring these to you. So I'm gonna just jump in. So if you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it sells for $49.99 and you get a box each quarter. Well, $49.99 is for the 1 quarter. And the things that are in the box are valued at least $200. Sometimes they've been over $300. And it just ranges from, lifestyle things to beauty things to fitness things. It's you guys know I love this. I've been talking about this box for years now. So with the spring add-on, or the add-ons, not just the spring, but all the add-ons, if you have a subscription to FabFitFun, you can get these add-ons and then they will come with your box. I guess from what I understand, this is my first time dealing with these. So they sell out very quickly from what I understand. And if you are an annual subscription versus you're just getting it for the quarter, then you have early access. I made notes because I wanted to make sure that I knew exactly what was going on. So having said all of that, let's go ahead and jump in and I'll show you what the products are. All right, so the first thing that was in the box is the Luxie Perfection Set. Premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. And I've had brushes from them before in BoxyCharms as well as in these and have really liked them, and they come in this awesome, you guys have seen these before. Lots of companies do these now, but it's the the cup where oop, that's just the desking thing, it's fine. That noise is just Bob, it's fine. Anyway, so you can sit this on your vanity and put your brushes in them. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 eye brushes and 4 face brushes. So a 12-piece brush set. And I'm really excited to play with their brushes a little bit more. I think the only ones I've had from Luxie or Luxie, take your pick, are eye brushes. So I'm excited to play with some of the face brushes. Next thing in here is it says Sterling Forever Shine Bright. There's a little coupon that you get in there. And this is a necklace with a little medallion. Let me just take it out of here. So it has this little medallion pendant, I would call that. I'm not really sure exactly what you would call it, but that's what I would call it. And it has a longer chain, and then you certainly can make it longer so it sits where you want it to sit. And then, like I said, it also came with a little coupon, which is nice. Came with some fun colored Invisibobbles. I love these. I have them in clear, I have them in brown, so they're kind of some fun different ones. It also, another thing you can add on, I shouldn't say it comes with, a thing you can add on, these are the add-ons, Kristin, is the Mask Bar Brighten Sheet Masks. I've used these before. These are some of my favorite actual sheet masks. I find these for myself at Target. So, and then this is interesting. Not sure about this one. This is the Dermalect Cleavage Contour Cream. So we'll see. I read this and I mean, I guess it's supposed to tighten things. I don't know. So there'll be probably some reviews on some of these coming as well, of course. This is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Intensive Super Conditioning Pre-Shampoo Treatment for all hair types. It says it adds less elasticity, manageability, bounce, and shine. And so I'm trying to see. It shows that the different sort of what kind of hair it's good for. And it looks like it's good for all 4 hair types that they have on here. Which is fine, medium, coarse, and African Caribbean. So we'll see. Should we see what it smells like? Oh, it came with a little shower cap that came busting out of there. Oh, it just smells like clean and it's not very strong at all. So anybody that's sensitive to scent, I don't think that would be an issue for you. All right, this is by Maylove, the Night Renewer Glycolic Acid Cream. This cream provides gentle exfoliation while hydrating your skin to reveal smoother and brighter skin. It says you apply nightly to clean, dry skin. Start by using 3 times a week, and then adjusting to nightly use. So we'll see. I'm not sure if I would use this. I'm not familiar with this kind of product, so I don't know if I use this after my moisturizer or in place of my moisturizer. I'd be a little concerned about in place of, especially this time of year. This is Marula Pure Beauty Oil, and it's a pure marula facial oil. Let's see what that smells like. It's in a really nice pretty box. You know, packaging is everything. And it looks like this. It is a 1 ounce. It smells very spa-like. You know, that kind of really supernatural, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. This product, there was a little note in here that says, please note, the Love Beauty Planet Deodorant is a sponsored add-on. This means FabFitFun members will be available to add this to their add-on carts and try it out for free. So this is Love Beauty and Planet, and it's energizing is the scent, and it's a deodorant, and it's coconut. It's got coconut oil and ylang ylang, which is just fun to say. I'm trying to get the cover off here so I can smell it. Oh, it smells like vacation. It kind of smells like Trader Joe's coconut body butter, which makes sense. Let me put this over here. There's a product from Milk Makeup. It's called, the shade says Mars on the top of it, if I can get it out of the packaging. It says it's a holographic stick, so I'm going to assume a highlight. Oops, I just dropped the little thing on the top of it, but I tried to put it on the hand that has oil on it. That's not going to work so well. So I've not used anything from it. It really is kind of hollow, iridescent-y like. You guys can see that. No, I'm obsessed with smelling everything. Good gracious. I've not tried this before. This is a Butter London Peel Off Glitter. So that is an add-on. There's a Bulgarian Rose Water Makeup Primer by Kaylin. I feel like I've used a couple products by Kaylin before that have come in boxes like this. And interesting, it's got a little dropper. It says Bulgarian Rose Water Makeup Primer is an innovative dual-function water-based primer and serum. It's infused with Bulgarian rose oil, which works as an emollient to moisturize the skin. Perfect time of year to be adding that on to your FabFitFun box for sure. And then the last product is this R&Co Crown Scalp Scrub. So I actually opened this up when I got it because I was like, for real? And it legit has, like, feels like a salt scrub. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It smells nice. Kind of fresh, kind of florally, kind of clean. It's kind of one of those scents that oh, that's right. Bob grabbed my garbage, and so I have no garbage to put that in. But anyway, so it says this purifying and soothing scrub will detox, cleanse, and rebalance your scalp. Moisture or massage a walnut-sized amount into the entire scalp until you feel its exfoliants fully dissolved. Rinse thoroughly, hair will feel shiny and royally clean. Follow with a nourishing R&Co conditioner on mid-lengths to end. I don't know that I'll be able to use this with, I still currently have the beaded extensions in, and I am getting those taken out and putting in tape-in extensions. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to use this. I'll have to ask my hair genius. But so those are the items that are available as the spring add-ons for FabFitFun. I hope that this was enjoyable and helpful to you. Thank you so much again to FabFitFun for sending these to me. Like I said, it was the first time of me doing that, or the first time for them sending me the add-ons, and it was really fun to see what else you can add on to your subscription box. There's a code below where you can get $10 off. It's different this time. Normally it's Kristin10, but because of the add-ons, it's blooming, I think is what it is. So I'll list that below. You can find that. I don't get anything from that. It's the same code from what I understand for everybody. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and in everything that you do and say, be beautiful. Bye.